You are already blessed beyond measure. The universe is constantly working in your favor, aligning opportunities, abundance, and joy in ways you may not even realize. Every breath you take, every new day that unfolds, is a reminder that you are divinely supported. Gratitude is the key that unlocks even more blessings. When you choose to appreciate what you have, the universe responds by giving you even more reasons to be grateful. Your mindset is powerful. It shapes your reality. Today, you embrace a perspective of abundance, joy, and infinite possibilities. You are not waiting for miracles. They are already unfolding around you. The more you trust, the more you receive. The more you acknowledge your blessings, the more doors open. Take a deep breath. Feel the energy of abundance surrounding you. Let these affirmations remind you of the limitless good that is already flowing into your life. I am surrounded by blessings, and my heart overflows with gratitude. The universe continuously provides for me in miraculous and beautiful ways. I attract abundance, joy, and success effortlessly. Every day, I receive more love, wealth, and prosperity. I am grateful for all I have and all that is on its way to me. My life is a reflection of gratitude, and it keeps getting better and better. Everything is working out perfectly for my highest good. I trust the universe's divine timing in all aspects of my life. I am a magnet for happiness, health, and wealth. Gratitude expands my abundance, and I welcome it fully. I see the good in every situation, and my blessings multiply. My heart is open to receive all the love and prosperity around me. Every challenge I face brings new opportunities for growth and success. I am deeply loved, supported, and guided at all times. Abundance flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I radiate gratitude, and the universe responds with endless blessings. I deserve, all the wonderful things coming into my life. My thoughts are powerful, and I choose gratitude and positivity. I am aligned with success, wealth, and fulfillment. The universe has already blessed me, and I welcome even more. I am open to receiving miracles every day. Prosperity and success are drawn to me effortlessly. My dreams are manifesting into reality with ease. I release all resistance and allow abundance to flow freely. I attract supportive and uplifting relationships. Every experience in my life is an opportunity for growth. My energy radiates positivity and attracts endless opportunities. I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good. I am worthy of infinite blessings and divine guidance. I celebrate the abundance that surrounds me. I allow joy and peace to fill my heart. Love, wealth, and happiness come to me effortlessly. I am grateful for the limitless possibilities before me. My heart is filled with appreciation and contentment. I attract experiences that bring me happiness and fulfillment. My gratitude opens the door to endless opportunities. I choose to focus on all the wonderful things in my life. I am deeply connected to the universe's infinite wisdom. My inner joy attracts more abundance and success. I radiate love, kindness, and positivity. My life is filled with infinite blessings. I welcome unexpected miracles with an open heart. Every day, I am more aligned with my purpose. I choose to see the good in every situation. My abundance is constantly expanding. I am grateful for the wealth and success flowing into my life. I have everything I need within me to succeed. I deserve to live a life of happiness and prosperity. My heart is filled with peace, joy, and gratitude. I embrace each moment with appreciation. The universe blesses me with limitless opportunities. I trust in the magic of new beginnings. I am in harmony with the flow of abundance. My life is an unfolding journey of prosperity and happiness. I welcome each day with an open heart and a grateful mind. My gratitude transforms challenges into stepping stones. I am constantly attracting positive energy and opportunities. I choose to embrace a life of abundance and success. The more I appreciate, the more I receive. My faith in the universe grows stronger every day. I am grateful for all the beauty that surrounds me. I release any doubts and embrace confidence in my path. I am a beacon of love, joy, and gratitude. My life is a masterpiece of abundance and fulfillment. I am thankful for every blessing, big or small. Prosperity and joy flow effortlessly into my life. I am a magnet for all things good. The universe supports me in every way. I welcome unlimited abundance into my life. Every day, I am attracting more blessings. My heart is filled with gratitude for all that I have. I am worthy of receiving infinite prosperity. The universe supports me in every way. I trust that my life is unfolding perfectly. I am open to receiving unexpected miracles. My gratitude multiplies my blessings. Wealth and success come to me effortlessly. I radiate positive energy and attract good things. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. I embrace each day with joy and confidence. My dreams are manifesting in divine timing. I am surrounded by love, peace, and prosperity. I believe in my ability to create a fulfilling life. My positive thoughts shape my reality. The universe is always guiding me toward success. I deserve to be happy, successful, and fulfilled. Every step I take leads me to greater abundance. My heart is open to receiving more joy. I trust in the process of life and remain grateful. I celebrate the blessings that flow into my life. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me. I am confident in my ability to attract wealth. The universe is always working in my favor. My energy aligns with limitless possibilities. Every day, I grow stronger, wiser, and happier. Gratitude is my natural state, and abundance follows. You are already living in the flow of abundance. If these affirmations resonate with you, like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more. Your blessings are limitless,